In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and share custom charts in Jira using Dashboard Hub Pro. This is a powerful add-on that lets you build visual dashboards, track progress, and share insights with your team in just a few clicks. If you're managing projects in Jira and want better reporting without complicated setup, this tutorial is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Log in using your account and make sure you're inside the project where you want to create dashboards and charts. Once you're in Jira, look at the top navigation bar. Click on the More option, and from the drop-down, click on Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section inside Jira, where you can find and manage apps. Next, use the search bar and type in Dashboard. From the results, look for Dashboard Hub. This is the app we'll be using to create custom charts and dashboards. Click on Dashboard Hub to open its app page. On the Dashboard Hub page, click on Try it free. Jira will then ask you to review the app details and permissions. Take a moment to review the information, then click on Review, followed by Start Free Trial. This will activate Dashboard Hub Pro for your Jira instance. Once the installation is complete, click on Dashboard Hub again to open the app. Now you're inside Dashboard Hub, where all the magic happens. From here, click on Create Dashboard. This will open a new dashboard where you can start adding and customizing charts. After creating the dashboard, click on Edit. In edit mode, you can add different widgets, charts, and visual elements based on your Jira data. You can choose issue-based charts, sprint progress charts, status breakdowns, and much more, depending on what insights you want to track. Configure the chart settings by selecting your project, issue types, statuses, or filters. This allows you to build truly custom charts that match your workflow. Once your dashboard looks the way you want, it's time to share it with others. To do that, click on Share Dashboard. From here, you can control who has access to the dashboard, whether it's specific team members, project roles, or other stakeholders. This makes it easy to keep everyone aligned with real-time data and progress updates. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared custom charts in Jira using Dashboard Hub Pro. This setup is perfect for team reporting, sprint reviews, and high-level project visibility. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Jira tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.